Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to clip with OBS Studio. This feature is perfect for capturing those epic gaming moments without recording hours of footage. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Once it launches, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. Click on File, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up the configuration window where you'll set up the replay buffer feature. In the left panel of the settings window, click on Output. This section controls how OBS handles your recordings and streams. Now, look for Output mode on the right side of the screen. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select Advanced. This option gives you access to more detailed recording settings, including the replay buffer feature you need for clipping. At the top of the output settings, you'll notice several tabs. Click on the replay buffer tab. This is where you'll configure how OBS saves your clips. Once you're in this section, look for the option that says Enable Replay Buffer and check the box beside it. This activates the feature that allows you to save recent gameplay footage at any time. Next, you'll need to set your maximum replay time. This determines how far back OBS will save when you hit your clip button. Common options include 30 seconds, 60 seconds, or 120 seconds. Select your preferred replay time based on the estimated memory usage displayed beneath each option. Keep in mind that longer replay times will use more RAM, so choose based on your system's capabilities. Once you've configured these settings, click Apply in the bottom right corner, then click OK to save your changes and close the settings window. Now you need to set up a hotkey to actually save your clips. In the upper left corner again, click File, then select Settings. In the left panel, click Hotkeys. This section lets you assign keyboard shortcuts for various OBS functions. Scroll down through the hotkeys list until you find Save Replay. Click on the text field next to it and assign a key combination that's easy to remember and won't interfere with your game controls. Something like F9 or Ctrl+R works well for most people. Click Apply in the bottom right corner, then click OK to save your hotkey assignment. Now you're ready to start clipping. Launch the game you want to play. Once you're in the game and ready to start capturing potential clips, switch back to OBS. In the right panel, click Start Replay Buffer. This activates the feature, and OBS will now continuously record in the background, keeping the last portion of footage you specified earlier in memory. When something worth saving happens during your gameplay, simply press your Save Replay hotkey. OBS will instantly save that recent footage to your hard drive. You can hit this hotkey as many times as you want to capture multiple moments. If you want to access your saved clips, you'll find them in your OBS Recordings folder. Simply click the download button next to any clip to export it. When you're finished gaming and no longer need to capture clips, go back to OBS and click Stop Replay Buffer to free up your system's memory. And that's it, you've successfully set up OBS Studio for instant clipping. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.